Justin Vacula here at Bellagio, Las Vegas in the conservatory area. This is April of 2025. The spring installation titled The Birds and the Bees. Lots of purple on this side and a little bit of a waterfall. See the hummingbirds in the back, the LED screen as well. Get an extendable view of things, the birds up high and the bird nest in the back. Coming closer, you can see the flowers and another bird and into the water. Previously, this would be a koi pond, and right now it looks like it's just rocks and coins. They're pretty cool with the LED screen in the back, navigating around others, trying to take photo and video as well. See the bird to the side with many of the flowers. Lots of detail. They put a lot of money into this display and they change it every few months, typically 4 displays a year. Headed towards the back, you can see butterflies up top and a fantasy house towards the back, a little cabin, and more flowers towards the bottom. See more of the birds on display. Small one there and a really big one in the center. Looks like a person's face behind the bird and an arm reaching out. See many of the butterflies up top and an orange bird towards the back. Lots more purple towards the back on the other side and another bird dangling. Towards the middle you can see the honeybees and Hive inside. Seeing a lot of the WWE shirts out here as we are getting closer to WrestleMania at the time of recording. Many out here to have the wrestling experience. Getting close, see the honey on top of the honey jar. Pretty cool detail up close to that. Navigating through to get inside of the honey hive, I suppose. You can see the lights inside. And going in, you can see a pattern. Pretty cool display. Some lights up top and honeycombs inside. You can see the hexagons. You can reach your hands in that. All the different lights. You can get a view of the other side. Some Easter themed display with the 3 chicks inside of the hatching eggs. And more birds hanging. Lots more purple. On this side, you can see what looks to be an insect with a leaf inside of its mouth and more of the waterfalls, some rocks on the bottom. So a really nice display here at Bellagio, Las Vegas. This is the spring display recording in April of 2025. Getting another view of the center. You can see the face and the bee art above it. Really nice. The B for Bellagio and the B for bees, I suppose. You can get another view walking around. More of the flowers on the ground and towards the center. Goes all the way around towards some of the restaurants. On this side you can see more art, a portrait made of flowers, and another view of the birds and a back view of this yellow bird. Butterflies once again at the top. Really nice display here at Bellagio, the Bellagio Conservatory, recording in April of 2025. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.